So today we will see quartiles, deciles and percentile with reference to median. In last lecture I taught median in three situations: individual data, discrete data and continuous data. In individual data, two things: odd data, even data, and formula this one, n plus 1 upon 2l, and average of middle term for even data set. And discrete, you have x column, f column, you have this single formula. First task is arrangement, then cumulative frequency, then you will apply a formula, and next is for continuous data. So this is for continuous type of data. This is the median for continuous data. Done? Okay. So what is median? What is median? Median means mid value of data. Okay. So suppose we have data from 0 to 100. So mid value of this data is in mid. Clear? 50. So this is considered as what? Median. Okay. So to find median is what? Midpoint. So to find median, we need how many cuts in data? 2 parts and cuts 1. To get 2 parts, we need 1 cut. Clear? So that's why only median is there. And whole the data is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. Okay. So in case of median, number of parts 2 and number of cuts 1. Clear? Okay. Now second we are considering quartile. So data again starts from 0 and goes to 100. Okay, so quartile is associated with what? Quarter. Quarter means 1/4 part of data. Okay, so how many fourth part of data in this? कितने fourth part create हो सकते हैं इसमें? 4. Clear? And how many cuts are required to get 4 parts of data? 3 cuts. Clear? So one cut is in mid. Second cut, half of half, and next cut is this, 3 cuts. Is it clear? So how many cuts in case of quartile? In case of quartile, there are 4 parts and cuts 3. Clear? And quartile is denoted by Q. In case of median is only 1 because of 1 cut. In case of quartiles, how many cuts are there? 3 cuts. So how many quartiles are there? 3 quartiles. Okay. So the name of this first point is considered as quartile first, and the name of this second is considered as what? Quartile second, and the name of this is considered as what? Quartile third. Is it clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Confusion? Okay. So this is quartile third. Now next situation is for again from 0 to 100, and now we are seeing what? Deciles. So in decile is associated with 10 parts of data. Clear? Okay. So to get 10 parts, how many cuts are required? 9 cuts. So we need 9 cuts. So first is in mid, and then this is 5th cut. So we need 2nd, 3rd and 4th cut. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So suppose this is 1st cut, this is 2nd cut, this is 3rd cut, this is 4th cut, this is 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. Clear? So first cut is considered as, this is denoted by D. Decile is denoted by D. So this is considered as D1. And this is D9, ninth cut. And middle cut is considered as what? D5. And you can write D4, D2, D3, D4 and others also. Done? Okay. Now next. So next is percentile. So percentile is associated with 100 parts, है ना, percentage. So this is associated with 100 parts. It starts from 0 and goes to 10. So in percentile, how many parts? 100 parts. Number of parts in percentile is 100 and number of cuts 99. Okay. So first cut is considered as what? P1. And last cut is considered as P99. And middle cut is considered as what? P50. Is it clear? Any doubt? Confusion? Okay. So last case we have studied for median. In case of median, this is n upon 2. Clear? So for median, this is n upon 2. So first we are studying these things in continuous data. So this is the formula for median. Done? This divided into two parts. That's why we are writing n upon 2. Now suppose we are writing this formula for quartile. Clear? Again I am copying this formula. So this formula is now for quartile. So we are using word Q here. Okay, so in median, whole data divided into two parts. That's why n upon 2. Here n upon 2. In this case, data is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. Clear? So we will replace this term n upon 2 by what? N upon 4. So we will write this as n upon 4 first. And this formula is for single quartile. And we need how many quartiles? कितने quartiles हैं हमारे पास? Q1, Q2, Q3. There are 3 quartiles we have. So to find first quartile, to find second quartile, to find third quartile, what we will do? Simply, if you need first quartile, so you will write this as Q1. And this quantity 1n upon 2 can be written as 1 into n upon 4. If you need first quartile. Clear? If you need second quartile, then what we will do? If you need second quartile, then you will put Q2 and this is 2 into n upon 4. Done? And if you need third quartile, then what you will do? You will put 3. So you will consider this as 3n upon 4. This is for third quartile. Is it clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Confusion? So different quartiles, different formula. Now we will learn one more thing here. So if we put 2 for second quartile, so you can cancel out this 4 by this 2. Now this term is n upon 2. Is it clear? So n upon 2 means what? Median. So this is what median. This means this second quartile, this second quartile equals to what? Median. Any doubt? Confusion? So second quartile को हम median भी लिख सकते हैं. Done? Okay. So for general quartile formula. What we will write? We will write x and we will put x here, x n upon 4. Clear? Where x is equal to what? X is equal to what? You may put 1, 2, 3. आगे भी आएगा कुछ? No. Clear? So you may put x is equal to 1, 2, 3 for quartiles. If you need first quartile, then you can put x is equal to 1. For second quartile, you can put 2. For third quartile, is it clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Confusion? Please ask if you have any doubt. Okay, fine. So now we will see next. So next is what? Next is what? Decile. So decile is denoted by? Decile is denoted by what? D. So we will put D here. And for decile, this quantity is divided by 10 because of number of parts. And how many deciles are possible? 9 deciles are possible. Okay, so we will put x dx and x into n upon 10, and x is equal to what? 1 to 9. Is it clear? So if we find fifth decile, so we will put x is equal to what? For this term, you will put x is equal to 5. And 10 is cancelled by 5. Now you will get n upon 2. N upon 2 is what? Median. Clear? So this means median equals to quartile 2. Quartile 2 equals to decile 5. Concept is clear? Okay. So now the next. Next is what? Next is percentile. I think now percentile is clear. So for percentile, what we will write? P. So we will put px and this quantity divided by 100 because of 100 parts. And 99 quartiles are there. That's why you can put x is equal to what? Up to 90. Is it clear? Formula is clear. This formula is for which type of data set? Which type of data set? Continuous. Okay. So these formulae for continuous type of data. समझ में आया? Is it easy to learn or tough? I think easiest way to learn. Clear? Because of similarity in form. Okay, so this is for continuous type of data. So these 4 things for continuous type of data. So 3 categories again. First is for individual, second is discrete, and third is continuous. So this is continuous. Okay, so now we will see formula for individual and discrete type of data. So in individual data for median, how many formulae are there? Two formulae. Okay. First is for odd data and second is for even data. So in case of quartile, no issue of odd or even. If you have even, if you have odd, you will use same formula. So this is what? N plus 1 upon 2th. N plus 1 upon 2th for median. So for quartile, what you will write? So quartile is denoted by qx. X is equal to what we can write? 1, 2, 3 for quartiles. So formula for median is n plus 1 upon 2th. In this case, what we will write? Yes, first thing is n plus 1 upon 4. Clear? And if you need first quartile, then you will multiply this term with 1. Okay? If you need second quartile, this term is multiplied by 2. Third quartile multiplied by 3. So for general term xth quartile, you will multiply this with x. Clear? So this is what? This is the xth quartile. Done? Now, in case of discrete data, in discrete data, your formula is what? Your formula is this. Simply, this is small n replaced by capital N. Clear? So, in case of discrete data, to find quartile, simply we can replace this term with capital N, nothing else. इसको हमने सिंपली क्या कर देना है? यहाँ पे इसको हमने कर देना है कैपिटल है और कोई भी फॉर्मूले में चेंज नहीं है. Same task, first is arrangement, second task cumulative frequency, then last value is considered as n, then you will identify location of quartile. Done? And yes?
What is the difference between small and
Difference between?
small and capital N?
Small and capital N. Okay, fine. So in this case, in case of individual data, how many terms are there?
5.
5 terms. So this is small n. Okay? Clear? Small n is equal to 5. In case of discrete data, you will not consider this counting. You will consider sum of frequency. So this sum of frequency is considered as what? Capital N. Listen once again. This is individual type of data. In individual type of data, how many terms? 5 terms. Clear? There is no frequency. There is no frequency now. So this is n, small n is equal to 5. In case of discrete data, you have x column, you have f column. So in this case, you will not take counting of x. You will consider sum of frequency. So this sum of frequency is considered as capital N. Done? So this is for quartile. Now in case of decile percentile, next is for decile. Okay, so to find deciles, we will write D. To find percentiles, we will write P. And this divided by what? 10. And this divided by 100. So these are 10 and 100 for calculation of deciles. This is divided by 10. This is divided by 100. And this is dx. This is dx. This is divided by 10. This is divided by 100. And x is equal to 1, 2, 3 here, and in this also x is equal to 1, 2, 3, and for this x is equal to 1, 2 up to 9. This is x is equal to 1, 2 up to 9, and this is what? X is equal to 1, 2, and goes to 99. This is x is equal to 1, 2, goes to 99. Structure is clear? All formulae are clear? Anyone? Any doubt? So these are the formulae for individual. This is discrete and this is continuous.
So in discrete it will be capital N.
So
Yeah. This is capital N. This is not small n. This is capital N. Okay. This is percentile P.
there is a
This is percentile. So this is denoted by P.
sir. Second one to get individual data second. Decile.
Yes. Dx. This is D. Okay, so now we will solve some numerical examples. So for individual data, we are taking this same example from median class. Okay, so we are taking this data, individual data, same data set. So this is in arranged form. This is original data. This is an arranged form, first class. And so which quartile you wanna find? कौन सा क्वार्टाइल निकालोगे? चलो क्वार्टाइल थर्ड निकालते हैं, ठीक है? ओके, सो फॉर क्वार्टाइल थर्ड, for quartile third formula is Q3 equals to what? 3 n plus 1 upon 4. So this is for quartile third. Now you will put n equals to what? N is what? 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So this is 5, 5 3 ja, 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 upon 4 is 4.5. Clear? So your answer is 4.5th term. So what you will write this 4.5th term? This is fourth term, this is fifth term. So your answer lies between this fourth and fifth term. Clear? वैसे तो 7 नहीं आएगा, more than 8. You will get more than 8 because your answer is 4 point something. Clear? So what you will write? You will write this as fourth complete, fourth term plus 0.5 of fifth minus fourth term. So fourth term location is 8 and this is 0.5 of difference. Difference is 9 minus 8, that is 1. So this is 8 plus 0.5 into 1. So this is equals to how much? 8.5. This is quartile third. Is it clear? Any doubt? Confusion? Anyone? Okay, so this is for quartiles. So you can find decile also in the same way. You can find percentile also in the same way. You need to put formula and apply this technique of decimal. Clear? If you are getting exactly integer term, suppose fourth term, so directly you can write your answer as 8. Done? Now second is which type of data? Discrete data. So today we are taking arranged data set. So this is arranged data set. Done. Now your target is what? Your target is what? What we have to find? Q3. Again Q3. Okay. So we can write formula for Q3. So formula for Q3 is L plus 3 n upon 4 minus PCF upon F into I. So this is the formula for third quartile. Done? Okay, fine. This is not continuous data. This is discrete data. So discrete data formula same. Capital N plus 1 upon 2F. Clear? So in this case, we will not use this formula. We will use which formula? We will use N plus 1 upon 4, and for third quartile what you will write? 3, and then eta. Clear? So capital N in this case is what? 31. So you will put this as 31. So 5 into 31 plus yes, this is 3 into 30. So this is 3 into 31 plus 1 divided by 4. So this is 32. 32 3 is 96. 96 upon 4 is 24. So this is 24th term. Clear? Now we will search location of 24th term. So this is up to 22nd. This starts from 23rd, 23rd to 26th. So 24 lies here. Clear? So for 24th location is 8. So your answer is what? Your answer for this is what? 8. Is it clear?
Yes.
Anyone? Any doubt, please? Okay. So now next is for continuous type of data. So we are taking same example of previous class again. So I am also this complete table to clear confusion in median and quartile class. So again your target is to find Q3. So formula for Q3 is L plus 3n upon 4 minus PCF upon F into I. So your solution starts with which term? This term. Always starts with 3n upon 4. Done? So your target is to find 3n upon 4 first. So 3n upon 4. So n is what? 31. So this divided by 4. So this is equals to 93 upon 4. 93 upon 4 is how much? 23.25. Okay, so I need to explain one more thing. That's why I am not taking this Q3. क्योंकि Q3 is same as median class. ठीक है, तो इस केस में मैं आपको Q3 एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता, पहले मैं आपको Q1 एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. Q3 तो आप खुद निकाल लो. Done. So I am taking this as not Q3. We are taking this as Q1. I am explaining Q1 first. So you will write this as 1n upon 3. So this 1n upon 3 is how much? कितना होगा? 31 upon 4. 7.75. So this is 7.75. Okay. So we will search this 7.75 in which column? N upon 2 we have searched in which column? CF column. Because n is part of this CF column, so we will search n upon 2 also in this. Now this n upon 4 is also part of this CF column. So we will search this quantity n upon 4 in CF column. Okay, so this this n upon 4 is 7.75. So this comes under which category? In this category, 8. 8 में तो आएगा 7.75. Done? Okay, so now this is what? This is Q1 class, as your objective is Q1. So this is considered as what? Q1 class. Done? In this Q1 class, this first quantity is lower limit. This is considered as what? L. Clear? This is L, lower limit of class interval of Q1 class. And next is what? PCF, pre-cumulative frequency of Q1 class. So this is your Q1 class and previous cumulative frequency is this. So this is considered as what? PCF. Clear? Done? Now next term, F. F is frequency of Q1 class. So frequency of Q1 class is what? 6. So this is F. And I is interval. So I is again 10. From 10 to 20 there is gap of 10. So I is equal to 10. So now we will put formula. We will put values in this formula. Then you will get your answer. L is what?
10.
10. Plus 1n upon 4, that is 7.7. Minus PCF. PCF is 2. And frequency is what? 6. And this term multiplied by I is equal to 10. So this is equals to 5.75 into 2 into 10. So 52.75 divided by 6. How much? Please calculate. 9.8 8.58. 9.58. 9.58 तो नहीं आना चाहिए. 5.7. Okay, 57.5 बनेगा. Okay, fine. So this is 10 plus 9.58. So this total is 19.58. Clear? Quartile first is clear. Okay, so now I will tell you why I have not explained Q3. Q3 मैंने आपको क्यों एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया? क्योंकि अगर हम Q3 कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे देन 3n/4 इज व्हाट 23.75. 23.75 के लिए फिर से यही क्लास बन जाता. मीडियन क्लास इज कंसिडर्ड एज Q3 क्लास. यही होता. फिर आप जब आगे पढ़ाई करते तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते कि हमेशा एक ही क्लास से हम कैलकुलेट करते. ठीक है, तो एक क्लास से कैलकुलेट नहीं करते. डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट, डिफरेंट क्लास सिलेक्शन. इज इट क्लियर? Anyone? Any doubt? Please ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask. You are free to ask if you have any doubt. But I hope no doubt. Anyone? Concept is clear? Okay. So these four things, as I taught in this lecture or in last lecture, these four things, median, quartile, decile, and percentile. यूनिट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. केवल इन चार चीजों के लिए आपको किस चीज की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है? क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है. बाकी कहीं भी आपको क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी इज नॉट. क्लियर? इफ यू नीड टू फाइंड मीन, इफ यू नीड टू फाइंड ज्योमेट्रिक मीन, हार्मोनिक मीन, then no need to calculate cumulative frequency. In mode, no need to calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is only for median, quartile, decile, and percentile. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So we will continue in next class for next topic.